Hello and welcome to Aesthetic Haven, where we dive into all things that help you live your best, most fulfilling life. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 20 skills that will make you wealthy, wise, and healthy in 2025. Whether you're looking to grow your bank account, sharpen your mind, or improve your health, these skills are essential for creating the life you've always dreamed of. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's dive in. Part 1. Skills for Wealth. 1. Personal finance management. Let's kick things off with money. If you want to grow your wealth, learning how to manage your finances is key. Start by budgeting effectively, saving smartly, and investing wisely. Here's a simple rule: 50/30/20. 50% of your income should go to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% should be saved or invested. Master this, and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. 2. High-income skill development. Next up, it's time to focus on developing high-income skills. Skills like coding, copywriting, and digital marketing can help you earn a six-figure income. Take time to learn these skills, and you'll find clients who are willing to pay top dollar for your expertise. 3. Passive income creation. Imagine making money while you sleep. Sounds amazing, right? You can do this by exploring passive income options like affiliate marketing, stock dividends, or creating and selling digital products. Remember, work once, earn forever. 4. Networking. Your network is your net worth. It's not just about what you know, but also who you know. Building relationships with the right people can open doors you never imagined. So invest in networking both online and offline. 5. Real estate basics. Real estate is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth. Start with the basics of property investment, such as renting or flipping houses. It's a long-term game, but the rewards can be huge. 6. E-commerce and dropshipping. Want to start a business without worrying about inventory? Commerce and dropshipping allow you to build an online store and sell products you don't even need to stock. You can run this business from anywhere in the world. 7. AI and automation tools. We live in the age of automation. Mastering tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and other productivity tools will save you time and increase your efficiency. Working smarter, not harder, is the key to success. 8. Stock market investing. If you want to grow your wealth over time, investing in the stock market is a must. Start by learning about ETFs and how trading works. With time, your investments can yield impressive returns. 9. Entrepreneurship. What if you could turn your passion into a business? Well, you can. Entrepreneurship is all about solving problems and offering value. Find a niche you're passionate about and start building your own empire. 10. Sales and persuasion. Whether you're selling a product, an idea, or yourself, mastering the art of selling is essential. Learn how to persuade and influence others, and you'll open up endless opportunities in your career and business. Part 2. Skills for wisdom. 11. Speed reading. Want to consume more information in less time? Speed reading is the answer. Learn how to double your reading speed, absorb more knowledge, and stay ahead of the curve. 12. Public speaking. Public speaking is a game changer when it comes to sharing your ideas. Whether you're delivering a presentation or just speaking in front of a crowd, this skill will boost your confidence and help you connect with others. 13. Critical thinking. Critical thinking is all about analyzing situations, making informed decisions, and solving problems effectively. In today's world, this skill is more important than ever. 14. Digital literacy. We live in a digital world, and understanding how to use technology is essential. Master digital tools to simplify tasks, manage your time, and enhance your productivity. 15. Emotional intelligence. Being aware of your own emotions and understanding the emotions of others is key to building strong relationships. Emotional intelligence helps you communicate better, manage conflicts, and work more effectively with others. 16. Learning a new language. Learning a new language opens doors to new cultures and job opportunities. Apps like Duolingo make it easy to start, so why not pick up a new language and broaden your horizons? 17. Meditation and mindfulness. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Meditation and mindfulness can help you calm your mind, focus better, and reduce stress. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your overall well-being. Teen problem-solving skills. Being able to think on your feet and tackle challenges head-on is a skill that can be applied in almost every area of life. Train yourself to approach problems with a positive mindset, and you'll find solutions faster. 19. Creativity. Creativity isn't just for artists. It's a skill that can help you innovate and think outside the box, whether you're writing, designing, or brainstorming solutions to problems. Cultivating creativity will open up endless opportunities. Part 3. Skills for health. 20. Cooking healthy meals. They say, you are what you eat. Learning how to prepare nutritious and delicious meals at home will fuel your body with the energy it needs to thrive. Cooking at home also helps you save money and gain control over what you eat. 21. Fitness routines. Exercise is crucial for staying fit and healthy. Whether it's yoga, weightlifting, or cardio, find a fitness routine that works for you and stick with it. Your body will thank you. 22. First aid. Knowing basic first aid can be life-saving in an emergency. From CPR to wound care, this skill is essential for everyone, and it can make a huge difference when someone is in need. 23. Stress management. Stress is a part of life, but how you manage it makes all the difference. Techniques like journaling, deep breathing, and mindfulness can help you manage stress effectively and maintain your mental well-being. 24. Quality sleep habits. Sleep is vital for your health, so learning how to improve your sleep quality is a must. Practice good sleep hygiene, such as avoiding screens before bed, sticking to a routine, and creating a calm sleep environment. 25. Time management. Effective time management is key to balancing work, play, and rest. By planning your day and setting priorities, you'll be able to accomplish more and reduce stress. 26. Strength training. Strength training helps you build muscle, increase metabolism, and improve overall health. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling strong and capable in every area of life. 27. Hydration and nutrition. Water and proper nutrition are the foundation of a healthy lifestyle. Learn about the best foods and drinks to fuel your body and keep your energy levels up. So there you have it, 20 skills to master in 2025 for wealth, wisdom, and wellness. Which skill are you excited to start learning today? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Aesthetic Haven for more inspiring content. Until next time, stay healthy, stay wise, and keep hustling for your dreams.